how he's getting it.
I don't know. He's going to get trapped in his own fishing.
How are you going to get over that, Bob? Can you see okay, Hayes? You can?
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to move?
No.
So one bait to catch?
Yes.
Is there a fish in there?
Yeah, fairly nice sized one.
Ooh.
Got it.
Wow, first attempt.
Oh, the spear is broken.
Oh no!
Now you have a speared fish running around.
Bob, go in there and get it with your hands.
I don't try to get it with my hand.
Oh, you are?
Already speared the fish, but the problem, this spear was not good enough.
It's a nice big one, eh?
Yeah. But the problem is this.
Sorry, you guys, sorry.
Wow.
Oh. That's a beauty.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you can hear why it's called a grunter. Hear it grunting?
No, you can hear it?
Yeah? Listen.
Sally, I'm going to steal this spot.
Totally, you can hear it grunting.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Wow.
It has spines on the back, it looks like.
Oh, it does, huh?
Oh, it's a
Be
beautiful
careful
fish.
there.
Beautiful.